Good morning, everybody. Welcome to a long weekend on Whidbey Island.
Tell the story of where you've been. Travel, feet up.
Okay, now where are we going to? They're done.
We're cooking a nice meal for Julian's parents tomorrow. We went to the farmer's market. We got some farm fresh ingredients that smelled so good, and now we're getting the rest that we couldn't find at the market at the grocery store. Oh. Yeah!
Yo! Ready?
Our Airbnb is way back there on the shore, and we are out here right now because it is low tide. So we're playing fetch with Otis in the sand, and it's really muddy, but it's so pretty. It's just the nicest day, and there's so many seagulls out. We're staying in this little, seems like a fishing neighborhood. So it's super cute. All these houses are on the water, and Otis is having so much fun running and chasing the ball. Yeah, good vibes right now. Very wholesome, peaceful, good vibes. Oh, he knows!
Yeah, good boy!
Oh, almost.
Oh. Go get it! Yeah, good boy, Otis! Yeah! Oh. Yeah! Yeah!
Scarred by the good fight.
See you tonight.
It's a bad idea, right? Yes.
We're proud you have lived well. Mud on your boots tell the story of where you've been. Travel, beat up, warning with settled soul.
Yes.
Trust your gut, you have earned at least that.
Every one of these little tributaries of rivers had to be explored.
To be kind. Age has proved.
Yeah. We're having dinner. Oh, okay. Look at that. We're in the right place. Oh, what parking lot to get into?
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll get the Pinot Noir.
The silhouette of them. Where'd they go? I had to do it automatically. It did a horrible job, and it would like. I think there's a guy who's coming back already.
Oh, these are so cool.
On the paddleboard.
That's so interesting.
We're at the drive-in movie theater. We brought our special guest, Otis. He is also here at his first drive-in movie theater. Yay! We're gonna watch the new Spider-Man movie, which we have not seen yet. So
Animated one.
it is perfect that they're showing that here. Yeah, it's been a really nice day. It's been a really nice weekend so far on Whidbey Island. It's a great way to reset for the next season since we just finished off August and today is September 1st. Is it?
Second.
Take a look at the movie we're watching. Thank you BetterHelp for sponsoring this video. BetterHelp's mission is to make therapy more accessible and affordable, which is a really important mission because finding a therapist can be extremely hard when you're restricted to options in your area. BetterHelp is a platform that makes finding a therapist so much easier because it's online, it's remote, and just by filling out a few questions, you can get matched up with a therapist within a few days. BetterHelp understands that finding a therapist is a little bit like dating, so if you don't find it's a great fit with your first therapist right away, you can easily switch to another therapist without having to worry about insurance, checking in this new therapist is in your network, or anything like that. I have found therapy to be a great act of self-care. Even in moments where I'm not particularly struggling, I look to my therapist for life coaching and guidance, and this has been immensely helpful, especially during my 20s, which is notoriously a confusing time. If you're interested in trying out BetterHelp, you can click the link in my description box to get 10% off of your first month. Otis is worried about being left behind, so he's sitting in the driveway and refuses to come back. Otis! Come back! Otis! We're not leaving you behind, you're coming with us! Come on, Otis! Come back!
Vertigo. You can't look either.
Took a blow, turned a cheek. Those lessons cut me deep. I've never been the same. Painted bright or monotone. Deep splashes of black. In pain the contrast grows. Make a masterpiece.
Oh my god.
Of mess.
Thinks I'm slowing him down.
Even